Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we off do not disturb in our Poco phone. Once you want to off your do not disturb in your Poco phone, so how can you off today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, how can we off do not disturb guys? Scroll it friends, you can see guys your sound and vibration setting guys, tap here. Then guys again scroll friends, you can see guys your do not disturb setting friends, you can see the do not disturb icon guys, tap here. Then guys your calls and notification will on. And so guys your do not disturb mode will off in your Poco phone, and friends you can use your call and notification ringtone settings. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video.